Hi guys, I'm Nidhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can read from the title, today's video is an unboxing video and this is unboxing of an album, and this is my first K-pop album, and this is the TXT's Minisode 2 Thursday Style album. And actually my parents have gifted that to me because I got a good percentage in my 10th standard board exam. So my parents had asked me what gift I wanted, so that's what I asked for. And I was really waiting for this sort of album to come. And when it finally did arrive, I decided to sort of shoot an unboxing video too, since it's also my first album. So I thought I could make a video on that. And I'm super excited to open the sort of album. So let's get right into it, guys. I'll be starting the unboxing now. I didn't unbox it before because I wanted to shoot this video, and I'm super excited to open this. So here I go. There's lots of bubble wrap, and I feel like, oh my god, I got a Subian photo card. So now I'm gonna open this. So as you guys can tell, this is a Minisode 2 Thursday Style album by TXT. So this is the photo card I got. This is Subin. So I'm so happy. Now I'm going to be unboxing the actual album. So this is the sort of album. So I'll come to that later. First we'll open out of this stuff over here. So this, I think, is the poster which I was gonna get, and I'll show you guys a picture and detail of it later, but right now you guys can look at it this way. Actually, since I can't get it on camera, I'll put it a clip of it later. But this is the hate version sort of poster. I fold that up to keep it aside. So this is the album. I'm going to be using a pair of scissors to kind of open it. Let's open it like this. Okay. Oh my god. These are the stickers. I'll come back to that later. So over here, this is how it sort of looks, and when you open it up, it says hate in red. Wow. Oh my god. I hope you guys can see this properly. Oh my god. These are the pictures of, I guess, all of the members. This is Subin, and these are the other members. Yonjin over here. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are also TXT fans. So this is the sticker which I sort of fell out of it before. This is Bongju over here. And this is Hyunjin. I really love how good these papers are actually. I'm glad that this things are clean proper. Oh, that's paint on, I think. See? I think this is just some sort of messages and things. It's written in Korean, so I'll have to get it translated or something. this is the rest of all the producers and things like that. So I have the credits sort of page, I guess. And here are some more stickers. I'll show you that one in a bit more detail now. So it just says N and it's sort of white with this beige sort of background. This is how it looks from the back. This says TXT and this is the sort of logo for this era. And this is how it looks. It's the same thing as this, except maybe this is black. Next up we have this one, which is also saying TXT, but it's a similar one to this. And next up we have one that says Hate. So those are actually all of the sort of versions, like Hate, End and Mess. This is the last one, the Mess version. And this one just says Thursday's Child. And these are some more photo cards. That was actually a Polaroid card or something. These are this is a photo card of Yun Kai. And this is the sort of the card where it's sort of 3D, those 3D sort of things. See, when you move it, it changes. Next up is another picture. And here are some sort of more things which I did not know was going to be coming with this. So these are all of the songs which are sort of there on the album, which is Opening Sequence, Goodbye Gone Bad, Trust Fund Baby, Lonely Boy and Thursday's Child Has Far to Go. And inside we have these. I really love how these are. They look like, they sort of feel like postcards. So I really like how they came. So I'm just going to put them back in. And this was a sort of card which came with that. And last up, no, there's more. Okay, so this is, I think, the toy which comes with it. And these are the instructions probably. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to make a video in which I'm making these. I won't be making these today, but I will make them sometime in the future. So you guys want me to make a video on that, let me know down in the comments. I'll be sure to make a video on that too. And I'll keep this aside for now. And these, I think, are the CDs. How do I open this? Oh look, this is the CD. So this is how it looks. I'm going to put it back in. Sort of a bit complicated. And we're done, guys. So this is the final sort of thing. So this is like a book in which there's everything like that, and I'm super satisfied from this. I actually got this from Amazon and I've seen many reviews which say that it did not come out properly, but for me it did come properly. So I'm super happy with this. And I really liked all of the things which I got, especially this extra one which I got. And I really like this album when I actually listened to it on Spotify. So I hope you guys will check this album out too. Okay, I did not check the back of these cards, and that just makes me weird and stupid, but at the back of these cards there were actually the lyrics to the songs, and I hope you guys can see that. So this is Opening Sequence. Here's Goodbye Gone Bad. This is Trust Fund Baby. This, I think, is the Lonely Boy, and this is Thursday's Child Has Far to Go. So these are the lyric cards. I did not know that they would be coming with like pictures in the front, which is like so unique. So now I'm just going to be putting all of this stuff into my album, which I had shown you guys in the start. I'll put it in and give you guys a flip through later on. So I'll be back. I'll just show you guys the flip through of this and show you guys everything that I got in this album. So to start up, these are the lyric cards, and I just put them in here. and these were actually the perfect size for these. As you guys may have seen that I should have put 2 in this because they were not fitting properly, but these fit like perfectly, so I'm really glad they do. And I realized I just didn't put something here, so I'll just shift this over here. I didn't realize this also has something at the back which says winning card. Oh my god, this has this like little hot air balloon which is so cute, and I also have to shift the position of this. This has the album sort of logo, so I'll just shift out of this here, so this can like go in, and this one can also go in. Okay, so I positioned this properly. You guys can see that. I'll put this in. So these were all of the pictures, photo cards, and lyric cards, and the sort of cards part, I guess, of this. And these previous ones, you guys already know I got them before. And if you have not watched that video, I'll link it somewhere. So this is all of the thing. Next up, we have these paper toy things, which I will make someday. So as I mentioned before, if you guys want me to make any video on that, let me know down in the comments. These are the stickers which came with this, which is this, and this. We'll keep that aside for now. Also, this envelope in which the lyric cards came. The CD is actually at the end of this book, and it's in here. I won't remove that now. Actually, this comes like this, and it's actually just a plastic. And this is the CD. You can see. I'll leave it inside. This is the actual book. It's covered in plastic actually, and I didn't show you guys that properly, so I'll just show that to you. Okay, bro. And I already showed you guys a flip through of this, so I won't do that again. And now I will show you guys this, and then I'll play for some time with this bubble wrap. Oh, this also came too. This was that card thing which I showed you before. So I'll show you guys a poster now. So guys, this is the poster, and as I told you guys before, this is the hate version one, and I really like the material of this poster. So that's all, and I guess I'll be seeing you in my next video. I really liked how this whole album was, as I said before. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, bye guys. If you made it so far into my video, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope that you guys liked this video, and all of the sort of way I unboxed and everything like that. And I sort of really liked all of the things that I got in this sort of album, like the poster, the photo card, etc. And if you guys want to know where I got it from, it's from Amazon. If I find the link, I'll link it down in the description box too. And please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And comment down below how you like today's video, and if you guys want me to make more videos sort of related to K-pop or any other things like unboxing. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.